Let's look at this indices question. 9 to the power of x plus 2 over 27 is equals to 1 over 3 to the power of x. Okay, and of course when you look at it at first glance, you can roughly uh, guess that everything has to be in the base of 3, because we have 3x here, and 9 is 3 square, and 27 is 3 cube, correct? So definitely, with some practice and getting familiar with the numbers, when you look at it, you sort of can make an intelligent guess what the base is supposed to be. All right, so let's work towards that. Now, first thing I want to do is, since I have one fraction on the left hand side and one fraction on the right hand side, I can actually do a cross multiply. Okay, so what I will get is 9 to the power of x plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x is equals to 27. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, the next step is we want to convert everything to the same base, which is base 3. So 9 will be converted to 3 square bracket x plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of x equals to, and 27 will be 3 cube. All right, now for this expression here, we can come back to our rule, indices rule, that says am bracket n is equals to a m times n. Okay, so this is where we have to be careful. Okay, this x plus 2 is actually one expression as a whole, so the 2 has to be multiplied to the whole x plus 2 term here. All right, so what you will get here is 3 to the power of 2x plus 4. Okay, so again, this is an important step to note. Okay, a common mistake that students might make is they just multiply the 2 to the x and forget about the 2 over here. All right, so this is what you must make sure you do correctly. Multiply by 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 cube. Now over here, for this next line, we can see that both of them have the same base, so we come back to the rule that says am multiplied by an is equals to am plus n. Okay, so both the bases are the same. So in this case, both the bases are the same. So I'm going to combine the powers. 3 to the power of 2x plus 4 plus x is equals to 3 to the power of 3. All right, and now I can just simplify this one more time. 2x plus x will be 3x plus 4 equals to 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so now we see that both the bases are the same, which means both the powers are the same, correct? So this term here and this term here are both the same. So we can go about solving it. Okay, next, so we're going to say that 3x plus 4 is equals to 3, x is equals to, okay, 4 bring over, so 3x equals to 3 minus 4, which is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1/3. All right, so that is how you go about solving this question here. All right, so I hope it has been clear, okay, how we can go about systematically solving such a indices question here. All right, thank you.